This faceless channel has only 8 videos, yet it already made over $16,000. That's more than $2,000 per faceless video, which takes less than 10 minutes to create. And look, they're not the only one. I run lots of faceless channels that are making a lot more money, and I also helped thousands of beginners do the same, so I know this works very well. Click the subscribe button so you don't miss my future Make Money Online videos, and let's begin with step number 1. And I know that a lot of people talk about different ways to make money online, but they never really show proof that they are also doing that exact same thing. So I want to show you that I'm also doing this and making money literally every single day, hundreds of dollars a day. And I'm also combining it with other platforms like this one over here, where I made over $6,000 so far. Let me actually reload the page to know that this is actually real. We can also open it up and I can scroll like this, and you can see that I'm constantly getting payments from this app. And later in this step-by-step tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to actually set this up for yourself. Step number 2 is to go to Google Drive and create a brand new Google Drive folder. So you're going to click on a new right over here, and you're going to click on new folder and just click create. As you do that, step number 3 is to either sign up to 𝗵𝘃𝗧𝗂𝗧𝗂𝗯𝗲, which is a new ChatGPT alternative that is completely free. It's an AI language model where we can ask it to do anything, like make a carrot cake recipe, and it's gonna do that. Now, we're obviously not gonna be making cakes in order to make money with this strategy, but I just want to show you that it can pretty much do almost anything you can prompt it to do. Or you can also go the traditional route, which is to just use ChatGPT, which pretty much works the same. Now, check out this faceless channel called 𝗵𝗵𝘁. It only has 10 faceless videos and already has over 100,000 subscribers. So this is a person who was a complete beginner 2 months ago, and now they're already making tens of thousands of dollars every single month because they get hundreds of thousands of views on these videos. And again, they just started 60 days ago. Now, you might say, yeah, Dave, but they probably got lucky and there's something that they did that only works for them. Well, what about this channel over here? They only have 7 videos, so even less, but they have more subscribers and they're doing pretty much the same thing. And they also started 3 months ago. And as you can see, they're now getting more views, millions of views on these faceless videos. And I even made a list of hundreds of different beginners who are making money on YouTube without showing their face and who are doing that really fast. I'm thinking like this person started 1 month ago and they're already making $12,000 per month. Like they literally have their first video 1 month ago and they already have how many? 7,000 subscribers. If we look at their views, they have 1.6 million views already posting faceless videos. Or this channel only has 4 videos on their channel and they made over $17,000. This channel only has 24 videos and already made over $60,000 from ad revenue. Now, we're going to be focusing on 𝗵𝗵𝘁. So what I'm going to do is you just want to take a screenshot of these videos or a screenshot of this channel, some unfiltered guy. If you're not sure how to take a screenshot, then just press and release these 3 keys, which are Shift, Command, and 3. So let's go back, Shift, Command, and 3, and now we just took a screenshot. Now, once you do that, you want to open up each video individually, and you want to go here and you want to click on Show Transcript on the right hand side. You want to click on Toggle Timestamps, and you're just going to copy all of the words that have been said in this video that was posted on a YouTube channel that we're trying to replicate. Now, this exact same strategy can be applied for any niche and any other channel that you're trying to replicate. You want to go back to your Google Drive folder. You want to click on Google Docs. So you want to add a Google document and you're going to paste that transcript here. You're going to go back to the channel and you're going to copy the title of that video and put it in the title of this Google document. So now we have this first one added over here. So now I'm going to go back to the folder and I'm going to click Google Docs. Then I'm going to go back to this channel and I'm going to open up the next video that was posted here. And I'm also going to take the transcript. So I'm clicking on the description box. I scroll down past all the unnecessary stuff, and then I basically just copy the entire transcript from this video over here. And then I'm going to copy this and I'm going to put it into this Google document. Again, taking the transcript, which is word for word what was said in that video, and then also taking the name of this video as well and putting it to be the title of this Google document. Now, once I have these, and you want to do this for all the videos that I have, it's not a lot, it's like 7 to 10 videos, and then just click on 3 dots and click on download to your computer, and again download both of the files, and then just proceed to either 𝗵𝘃𝗧𝗂𝗧 or ChatGPT. So I'm just gonna drag and drop these files into 𝗵𝘃, or again you can do the same thing with ChatGPT as well, just like this. And then you want to enter the prompt, which is remember this exact same style of writing scripts, the structure, the style of speaking, the simplicity of words, phrases, the length, everything, so you can write scripts in the same topic form. Now, see, I would never be able able to make money off of my faceless YouTube channels unless I was approved into the YouTube Partner Program, which for some people takes 6 to 12 months because you need to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. And so for all of that time, you would be making $0 because you're not monetized, potentially missing out on thousands of dollars that you could have otherwise been making from your channel. So now you can just go to 𝗵𝘃𝗃𝗏.com/monetization and you can get instantly monetized and make money from day one. That way you don't have to miss out on thousands of dollars that could have been yours, and you can just make money from day one from the views that you are getting. Imagine, for example, this channel, which started out pretty recently. They posted their very first faceless video and right away got 4.6 million views. If they weren't monetized, they would have missed out on tens of thousands of dollars from that video because they were not approved into the partner program. But if you post a video and it gets views, and you get paid if you're approved into the partner program. So yes, this service is very, very expensive, but the alternative is to miss out on thousands of dollars that could have been yours and waste 6 to 12 months. So ignoring this is actually a lot more expensive. Now in a second, I'm going to show you how I actually use this website to make extra $6,000. But first, I also want to give you another free gift. When you go to our free community, which I've also linked in the description, you can go to tools category and you can just open up this post which has a lot of different resources that you can use for free. But you're now going to click on YouTube Automation Starter Blueprint, and this gives you a free blueprint to follow to actually launch your faceless channel. So if you're not sure how to come up with a name, you can just take this prompt over here and you can just paste into the same box where you spoke with ChatGPT. So you can just paste this and you can say that your channel is going to be in the same niche as the previous transcripts, and now it's going to give you different name ideas for your YouTube channel. I really like Brain Boost. Then it says that our next step is to create an actual YouTube channel. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to YouTube, click on create a new channel, and I'm just going to take it from here. Next up, if we want to create the same channel branding as these guys, what we can simply do is we can just head over to canva.com. We can then click on custom size, and right over here I can select 1920 by 1080p. Just going to change the color of this to dark, and I can literally just draw my character. So I'm going to select this. I'm just going to change the color to perhaps white, and then I'm going to draw the character. Something like this is probably okay. And once I have this, I'm just going to click on share, click download as a PNG file, which is then going to allow me to add this as a profile picture to my YouTube channel. So I'm going to click on customize the channel, upload that profile picture, click done. And in terms of the channel art, well, I'm just going to go back to Canva, add a headline, click share, click download as a PNG file again, and then just go back to my YouTube channel, upload it over here, double click on that image, click done, and again click publish. And now my channel is pretty much optimized, and the same way as this channel that only has 7 videos but is already making lots of money. Now in order to actually make these slide animations like this person, we can also just use Canva for that sake as well. Just select the type of color that you like. I personally like this green. I usually use it for a lot of my channels, and so I'm gonna drag that here, duplicate that element and paste it here as well, and then I'm gonna start creating those animations. So on the left hand side, I'm gonna click on elements and I'm gonna search for stick figure. Here I'm gonna add my character, change the color or something like this. And if I want to add these same animated elements, well, all I gotta do is just go back to Canva, go back to elements, search for example mask, go to graphics, then select the ones that I like. So for instance this, maybe toilet paper and TikTok, it goes hand to hand. Then I'm just gonna click here, and if this is the first scene, I can just duplicate this. So I can just click here, and for the next one, maybe I want to remove this and I want to remove that as well, and I want to change it, and maybe I want to add some text on the left side. I can just add some text here, and I can change it by double clicking. I can type in whatever I want, and you see each animation would be about 5 seconds, which may be a little bit too long. So I'm going to drag that and make it 2.5 seconds, and then the next one is going to be also 2.5 seconds, for example. And I can apply that same thing to all pages. So I can just click apply to all pages, and I can click share, and when I'm ready, I would just click download, and I would download this as an MP4 video. So click here, and when you download this, it's going to merge all of those animations together, and it's going to be an MP4 video. So now you just need a voiceover in the background. So I can just go back to ChatGPT and say, in the same style, write a script about 8 things that I did to stop wasting my evenings after work. Seems like that's performing very, very well. So I'm just going to paste that in here, and because now it knows the context of what kind of scripts are actually performing well for other channels, well, it's going to start writing those. Now keep in mind that it's actually going to write a very short script, so we need to expand on every single part that it generates. As you can see, this is very, very short. This is only going to be like 2 minutes long, and in order to succeed with YouTube automation, You really have to make long videos. This is 19 minutes long. That's why it's getting so many views. And the biggest mistake beginners make is they make like 2-minute long videos, which is not really going to do wonders on YouTube. So what I do is I just take the first part, for example, I copy that and I just say expand this part, and then I paste it again. And now it's gonna expand, make that much longer. And so then I just go over to 𝗪𝗵𝘁 which is an AI tool that allows you to create voiceovers. And you just click on go to app, and then you take your script, click on instant speech, and you can just paste your script in here. On the right hand side, you can select which voice you like the most and just click generate speech, and let's listen to the voiceover that you generated.
Ever looked at the clock, realized it's way past your bedtime, and thought, what have I even done tonight? Yeah, me too.
Perfect. I'm now gonna download this voiceover to my computer, and I usually just edit these inside of CapCut, which is this free video editing tool. And you can just click on new video to start from scratch. You can first of all upload the MP4 footage that we got from Canva, these animations, and then I can just also upload the voiceover which I just created with 𝗪𝗵𝘁. So let's play it.
Ever looked at the clock, realized it's way past your bedtime?
And now we're going to start changing these animations, and you can also speed up the process if you want. On the right hand side, you can change the speed of these animations, so I can bump it up a little bit. Click export and download to my computer. Now to maximize my earnings, I don't just rely on ad revenue, but I also add affiliate links for different products. And the way I made extra $6,000 is by promoting this affiliate program over here. Let me actually reload the page to know that this is actually real. But affiliate program in question is Temu. It's Temu affiliate program, and they're giving away free bonuses as well. But before you sign up, you can see at the bottom that they're also giving $10,000 every 3 days to top affiliates and $3,000 per week. Now, even I myself haven't been able to win these rewards because it takes a lot of time to build up those commissions to actually win the rewards, but it is something that exists. Now, when you sign up over here for completely free, you're gonna see that you can promote $100 coupon bundle. So you can just put this link in the description, and you can have a CTA, call to action, in your videos that says if you want a free $100 coupon for Temu, just click the first link in the description. And a lot of people, even though it has nothing to do with Temu, would sign up because it's completely free, and you get paid $10 when someone downloads that app, and you also make money if they purchase some products off of Temu, which is pretty much like Chinese Amazon. And that's how I actually made extra $6,000 so far with this app. As you can see, I continue to get these commissions all of the time. I try to be as fast as possible in these videos to save you as much time so you can go and focus on building your online business and making money online. So if I missed something, I'm really sorry. Do let me know in the comments down below if you have any further questions. I'm here to help, and I will see you in some of the future videos.